Welcome to ZeroThreat. The Web Application Vulnerabilities section of the Scan report shows security issues found in your web application. You'll see a list of all the detected vulnerabilities, like broken access, cross-site scripting, and more, each marked by severity level: critical, medium, low, or informational. Critical vulnerabilities need urgent fixes to prevent risks like data breaches, while low or informational ones suggest areas to improve. You can use filters to sort by severity and focus on the most serious problems first. Click on any vulnerability to see its description, affected URLs, and why it's a risk. For more information about the vulnerability, you can click on Show More Info to open an additional information drawer. Click on a finding under Affected URI to get the exact HTTP request and response that triggered it, along with the evidence for the vulnerability. Additionally, review the remediation section for step-by-step details on how to fix the issue, including code examples tailored to your application's tech stack. This section overall shows you everything related to security weakness in your web application.